All right, this is the brand new Pro Style 1250 model hairdryer from Conair, from 1987, I guess. Still has the original Kmart sticker on it. Check that out, vintage. So here's the box. I haven't actually taken it out yet, but essentially it's just been sitting in a closet for, I don't know, 40 years almost. So just gonna show off the box. This is what it would look like if you got it brand new. I think we used to have one of these. All right, not bad. Time to get it out. All right, here's the flap right here. So I think I'm just gonna dump it. Well, it doesn't come out very easily, so it's probably secured. Let's see. Yeah, I guess it is. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hairbrush. All right, look at this thing. Ooh, this thing is sticky. It's like brand new and it's got some like stickiness on it. Okay. Must be from that box there. What do you got here? If you think the power is off when the switch is off, you're wrong. Keep it away from water. Ah, little warning guide. So, a guy and a girl in the front. Oh, interesting. I'll just show that off real quick. You can pause it and zoom in if you want. Let me flip that over. Save these instructions. Somebody did more than save the instructions. They saved the whole box. Oh, yep. There's another mention about the standards from 1987. All right. Okay, here it is. It's still wrapped in plastic. All right. Let's get it out of here. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, this looks really clean. Shiny. Yep. Tag is still completely intact. Let's see what we got here. Alright, that would normally be like one of the first things that fills up with dust, and there's absolutely no dust on it. It still has the inspection sticker. Those things fall off pretty quickly. That's still there. Okay, and these are all the settings for the front part. Very hot, hot, warm, and cold. So here's the front part, and yeah, here's the settings. So that's like warm. Or if you put that down, that's cold. So yeah, there's all these different settings. And if you forget what they are, you just look in the back here. Oh, so cold is both up. So that's cold. Warm. Warm is like that. And then there's hot. Wow, that's pretty cool. So it shows you 4 different settings. Hot would be like this. And if you want really hot where you get hurt, you go like that. Interesting. Yeah, there's no dust in there. I mean, I'm not sure how it's coming out on the camera, but yeah, it's perfectly clean. Let me look at the front. Yeah, that looks pretty clean. There's no dust. This thing has never been used. I wonder what's going to happen when I turn it on. I don't know if I should plug it in right now and test it out. Alright, so I've got it in the off position, so I'm going to plug it in here where the night light is. Here we go. We're going to test this thing from 1987 or 88. We're going to test it out, and I've got on the coldest setting, so let's see. First time turning this thing on. Wow. Alright, that's the cold setting. Going to make it a little warmer. See how that feels. Oh, that's warm. Alright. Then there's a warmer setting like this. Yep. And there's really hot like that. Oh yeah. So it works great and it gets hot super fast. Alright. So I'm glad I had a chance to test it. It's not smoking. Wow. It smells like a spa, like somebody's spa. Amazing. Amazing you can find something from the 1980s that has never been used before. All right. One other thing came with this box. I just found it. It says keep for your records. Service request. Do not send any info. Oh, do not send the unit to the Denver address as it will add substantially to the servicing time. Okay. So purchase information card where you purchased it. Online was not an option back then because there was no online. Look at this. If it was a gift, did you request that it be given to you? Amazing. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Let's look up here. I don't know if anybody else is going to be able to find one of these complete ones over the next couple of years. I doubt that anybody has a brand new 1980s Conair. Well, maybe they do, but this is really awesome. Okay. All right. Market Research Department. Oh, the last page here. Occupation, homemaker. Oh, look at this. Nothing about the internet. Okay, guys. Well, there we go. It works. I'm going to record the sound one more time so you can hear it. Thanks for reliving the 80s with me, guys. See you later.